Registration process. Once you open the player, click on the sign up button. Enter your email ID and contact number. Once you enter your contact number, click on Get OTP button. You will get an OTP on the same number you have entered. Enter OTP and click on Validate. Fill your details given below. You can create a new password over here. Select your state, city, and enter your PIN code. Class code is mandatory. If you have got any serial key or course key from institute, you can paste over here, or else you can leave it blank. Click on the I agree option and click on register button. The user is successfully registered. Thank you.